When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements make as big an impact as new windows. For homeowners in Sumter, casement windows have become one of the most popular choices thanks to their combination of beauty, practicality, and energy efficiency. If you're considering a home improvement project, here are the top benefits of installing casement windows that every Sumter homeowner should know. Superior ventilation. Casement windows are designed with side hinges, allowing them to swing outward like a door. This design opens the entire window space, maximizing airflow. Unlike double-hung or sliding windows, where part of the frame always blocks some of the opening, casement windows let in fresh breezes with ease. For Sumter's warm seasons, this feature helps keep your home cooler naturally and reduces the reliance on air conditioning. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major priority for many homeowners today, and casement windows are among the best at reducing energy loss. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating an airtight seal that prevents drafts. This tight seal not only keeps cool air inside during summer and warm air inside during winter, but it also helps lower utility bills over time. For Sumter residents looking to save money while living comfortably, this is a major advantage. Unobstructed views. Casement windows are often built with large, clear glass panes. Without the horizontal or vertical bars that divide other window styles, they provide a wider and cleaner view of the outdoors. Whether you want to enjoy your garden, watch children playing in the yard, or simply take in the natural beauty of Sumter, casement windows offer an elegant frame-free perspective. Improved home security. Security is always a concern for homeowners, and casement windows are designed with this in mind. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows that can sometimes be forced open, casement windows feature hook-shaped locks embedded within the frame. These locks are nearly impossible to tamper with from the outside, giving Sumter homeowners added peace of mind. Ease of operation. Casement windows are incredibly easy to operate. They open and close with a simple hand crank, making them ideal for areas that may be harder to reach, such as above kitchen sinks or in tight spaces. This makes them a convenient choice for families of all ages, including older adults or individuals with limited mobility. Stylish and versatile design. From traditional homes to modern builds, casement windows complement almost any architectural style. They can be installed as single units, paired with other windows, or arranged in a series for dramatic effect. The clean lines and customizable options, such as grid patterns, frame colors, and hardware finishes, allow homeowners to create a look that matches their personal taste while boosting curb appeal. Low-maintenance. Casement windows are designed to be practical as well as beautiful. Because they open outward, the exterior glass is easy to clean from inside your home, which is especially convenient for upper-floor windows. High-quality materials also make them durable and resistant to weather damage, meaning less maintenance over the years. Increased home value. Upgrading your home with casement windows is an investment that pays off. Not only do they improve energy efficiency and enhance curb appeal, but they also raise the overall value of your property. If you're ever planning to sell your Sumter home, potential buyers will appreciate the modern look, easy function, and energy savings that come with casement windows. Final thoughts. Casement windows are more than just a stylish choice. They offer practical benefits that improve comfort, efficiency, and security. For Sumter homeowners, they provide a smart upgrade that makes everyday living more enjoyable while also boosting long-term home value. If you're ready to explore how casement windows can transform your home, now is the perfect time to consider this investment. With their timeless design and modern features, casement windows bring the best of both worlds, beauty and performance.